Hello students, one more important topic from this growth models is logistic curves. We can say this logistic function is the combination of exponential and modified exponential function, which is describing the process in purely mathematical way. So we can see this model, and it is also called as S-shaped curve, growth curve, because it's look like the letter English letter S. So it is called as the S growth curve. So we can see in practice the sales rate, which is represented by the slope and which is begins at the low. Here we can see it has begun with the low value, and this slope begins with a great slope, and it will have the exponential growth up to the point where it is changing its state, and it will become the logistic curve. So here we can see the curve turns upward, looking like the exponential growth up to this point, that is the cross sectional crossing point of vertical line and this curve, and it is called as the point of inflection, and where it turns from increasing to the decreasing slope. Here after the vertical line it will become decreasing growth, and it will have the logistic curve after the point of inflection. Okay, so then the curve resembles like a modified exponential curve. So here we can see the equation in the form of differential equation, which is defining the logistic curve, is called as the x dot is equal to kx into capital X minus x, where we can say x is a very much smaller than capital X, which is the market limit. The value of term x, capital X minus x, remains essentially constant at the value of x, so that we can have the negligible value of small x as compared to capital X. So we will just neglect that small x, and this equation, that is x dash is equal to k small x into capital X minus x. This minus x will be neglected, so it will become x dot is equal to k into capital X into small x, and we can say this equation is exponential growth model for the constant k into x, where the market is a small, almost saturated, and the value of x will be close to the value of capital X, so that the changing very little with the times. So the equation of logistic curve then become x dash or x dot is equal to k into x in bracket capital X minus small x, which is the differential equation for the modified exponential function with constant k into x. The true differential equation for the logistic function is non-linear one, as we all know, and it will become the contain x square, so that it is a non-linear one, and it may become parabolic or any exponential curve. So I hope you have understood very well. We will meet with the next topic very soon. Thank you very much.